Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hi, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from...
UK.
That's right, this is from IWOOT. They've got a whole line of really neat ramen-related stuff and a whole bunch of other cool logo products and things and stuff. So let's crack this box open. This is the first of a couple boxes I got from them. Let's check them out. What you got there?
What's that? No.
What is it?
What's that? I don't know.
So in here we have a nice coffee mug. And here's the other side. It's pretty snazzy. Like that. And then here's another one. It's got a hand of eating noodles. Like the little sakura blossoms on it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, a couple nice coffee mugs. What do you think? You like those?
Yeah.
And we also have another package we will open. And here we have, oh wow, this is really nice. This is a big, like a blacklight poster. It's on really nice stock. It's really heavy. Let's see. Check this out. Very cool. And it's got some of the designs that you see on the coffee mugs too. I really like that. That's nice. Well, cool. Thank you to the folks over at IWOOT. Here's some information about this stuff and where to get it. I like it. This is cool. I really like the poster and the mugs are really neat. So, yeah, cool. Thanks. And hey, this has been Hans and this has been
Miles.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Every day.
and your posters
Every day.
and your coffee mugs.
A coffee mug every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.